Hey guys, I want to talk about a product that is very, very, very underrated here recently. Um, I obviously have, I obviously have extra time on my hands now, and I was going through my makeup and kind of just like reorganizing and just seeing what I have because I have a bad habit of like getting stuff. Not recently, but I would say like in the last year, getting things and kind of putting them in my drawer, my makeup drawer, and forgetting about them. Like I'll get them, I'll swatch them, I'm like, oh yeah. And before I like started uploading videos more often and taking my channel like more seriously, I would just get stuff, swatch it, and be like, yeah, I'm gonna make a video, and I never did. This is the most consistent I've been with my channel since I made it, and I made it a long time ago. Anyway, that's besides the point. So the product that I'm talking about is from Bareminerals, and it's their loose eyeshadows. Now, a couple of years ago, they were like everywhere on YouTube, and now they're not. And I get they've changed their formulas. I get that they've come up with like a more what is it? It's like a putty version. I don't have that one. Um, but that's kind of like their new thing. But they do still have some loose eyeshadows. And it's so funny because I was cleaning and I have a ton. I have a ton in most that I have not opened, which is like, but I found a few that are still available on their website and probably still on Ulta and possibly on QVC. So I'm gonna go over one color. I do have, I think, like maybe five that are still on their website. They have a ton like shades, but I specifically have those. Oh my god, I just spit ill. So anyways, so this is the color. It's called True Gold. I probably got this in a kit of some sort. And this is one of them. This is a really pretty color. So what I remember about these is that they are very pigmented. Because it's pure pigment, I guess. That's how they used to market it or whatever. Anyways, that's the color. And I'm gonna swatch it. So no primer or anything, just my dry, cracked hands. So see? It's really pretty. And I have my eye makeup. I did a video before that I'm going to edit and upload. But I'm going to put this over my eyeshadow that I have now and to kind of show you guys like how pretty this is. So I don't know if you're like me and you do have a stash of Bareminerals eyeshadows somewhere, but it's time to take them out and play with them again because they're really fun. I remember liking them a lot. This was one of the first brands that I got into when I was doing when I was starting getting into makeup more. And believe it or not, I got into makeup more after I had my son because, you're pregnant and like you're home or whatever. And I don't know, I just wanted to play with makeup. My mom had Bareminerals and all that stuff. And, she would give me the ones that she didn't use. So that's how I kind of started liking them or started growing a tiny collection. Anyway, so I picked it up. I have a flat brush. It doesn't have to be any fancy brush name or whatever. I prefer these like flat ones. I just feel like it packs on the color more. If you're curious, this is a Ben Nye brush I got with an eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to just come in close and I'm going to press it on my lid. Again, no primer or anything. But I want you to see how crazy pigmented that is. See how like it just brightened up my eyes? And again, I am just laying this on top of powdered eyeshadow. Like for me, with these kinds of eyeshadows, when they're loose pigmented like this, it saves you the work of just sitting there and press. Yeah, they're so easy. Yes, they're messy because they are loose. This particular one does not have like a sifter. It's just, I mean, it does have a sifter actually, but this is just packed with color. So, like the color payoff is insane. It really is. And you could wet it and it would be even more concentrated. Let's see. I'm just gonna spray this with, this is rose water. Something from TJ Maxx that I got a while ago. So I'm just going to pick up the color. My brush is wet. Let's do my other eye. I should have did this with my other eye because I'm right-handed and I'm doing my left eye. But like, see how pigmented that is? Like, I know I'm not the only one that has Bare Minerals stashed away somewhere. Or am I? I don't know. You guys have to let me know. But like, see how pigmented it is and how easy it was? Honestly, I feel like the side that I did not wet, this side, is brighter. So, I don't know. Like I said, I found this in my drawer. And I was like, damn. And then I was like swatching some colors and I was like, these are really pretty. Like, how come I haven't used them? You know what I mean? And I don't know. Like I said, I know that we kind of go crazy. We see new things. And we're like, oh, I gotta get that. Oh, I gotta get that. Oh, I gotta get that. I gotta get that. And then like I have palettes that are just sitting and I'm like, maybe I'll use them. I don't know. Trying to use them more. Trying to do more. Shop my stash. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you guys also have these eyeshadows. Like, I'm seriously curious to know. Just comment down below. Let me know. Because I know I'm not the only one that has them. And if I am, then I am. I don't know. But yeah, let me know. And if there's other eyeshadows that you guys really like that are loose, maybe they're not Bare Minerals. I have a few from JCat Beauty, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, them, and I have some from LA Girl. Like, honestly, anything that's like loose, like pigment like that, like the color payoff is insane. And it could be an affordable brand, or it could be something like Bare Minerals, or just straight up pigments from like MAC or whatever. The payoff is crazy good. So yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.